I got interested in machining about probably 5-6 years ago with a friend. We actually started making BattleBots. So we go to like a friend's machine shop and just kind of play around on the machines and make our own parts. It kind of started as a hobby, and I decided might as well go for it for a job.
My dad's been a machinist for over 30 years, and I've always been interested in all of the parts he's come home with and showed me and how he actually does it.
I really like working with my hands, and I thought it would be something really interesting to go into.
The machine tool program is a 2-year program. The students can choose between a diploma or they can go the AS route also. Machining is in everything you see. I mean, if you get into an automobile, you look at all the parts, the plastic parts that are molded in there, engine blocks, they do the machining on that.
Everything you see from computer parts, parts in cars, everything has been touched by machinists and run in CNC machines.
Anything that's basically in the household that you touch somehow has been, a machinist has done some work to make the fixturing or do the programming to machine the parts.
They'll teach you almost everything you need to know in first year. You kind of start with the bare basics in first year, so you can come in here knowing just about nothing and end up leaving with just about everything you need to know.
The course is structured basically in your first year. There's 3 manual machining courses you take.
Learning the basics about metal materials, how to run manual mills and lathes.
You know, working in the lab, working with the machines, the safety on the machines. The second year they focus heavily on the CNC, computer numerical controlled machining and programming.
Well, CNC is computer machining basically. You write a computer program, you put it on the machine, and then therefore the machine will follow that program.
So we're learning how to program and using CAD and CAM systems to design parts.
The second year side, you'd use a feature cam or a cam system. With the cam system, all you do is draw your part and tell it what stock size you're starting with, and it automatically writes your code. So it's really a lot simpler, and parts that would take like 5 weeks to program manually can be done in an hour on a feature cam or any kind of cam system.
As far as the manual machining, we've got mills, lathes, surface grinding, we've got the drill presses, saws. We stay with technology. We keep up with the latest trends that are out there, like the Swiss machining, the EDM machining. We've got the vertical mills, we've got the turning centers, you got the wire EDM, and then you also have the sinker style EDM. With the equipment that we have in the shop, the students are going to have a very well-rounded education in the machining that they will see that's representative in industry today.
Our instructors here seem to be very up to date. They know all the more recent technologies, and they've all had jobs in machining in the past. They've got lots of experience with it.
I'd recommend St. Cloud Technical and Community College because it's a great place to be. The shop is very clean. We have up-to-date equipment. The instructors are very knowledgeable and easy to work with, and it's just a good atmosphere.